Okay, good morning. What's up, guys? So right now I am speeding. Not really though, but I am headed to go pick up my bestie for her birthday. Her birthday is actually on Monday, but it's a work week. Monday is a work day. I will be at work. Normally I don't work on Mondays, but I will actually be at work on this Monday, unfortunately. So I have a day of things for us to do today. So I'm taking her to brunch and serve, and it was supposed to be me and some of her and our mutual other friends. They were going to be there, and I was going to surprise her walking in. She don't know what we're doing today. I sent her like a little mysterious itinerary of things we are going to do, but basically I just told her like what times and the attire for the things that we were doing today. So we have brunch at serve at 1 o'clock, and I'm gonna take care of her tab and everything. What else do we have? Then we got and then we have like an intermission, a break in between the day, because I couldn't think of nothing that we would want to do in the middle of the day on today. I don't know what there would be to do. I'll probably go take her some pictures and stuff like that after brunch. And then tonight at like 8 o'clock, we're going to this Afrobeats event. It's one that we've been to before, and I like to think we both had a pretty decent and good time. I effed up. I only really was going is ticketed because the early bird tickets were $12. But I ended up waiting so late, and then some of the other girls had already bought their tickets to it. So I was like, well, F it, I'll just go ahead and get our tickets, because other people already bought theirs. So I ended up paying a little bit more than I wanted to. Had I not paid that, or thought to say something faster, we could have saved at $20-$50 and went to a restaurant or Esco or something that night or tonight, and just had a little, tab for drinks or something. But it's all good. We're gonna have a good time, because basically I paid $50, and when we get there, we're still gonna have to buy a drink. But what we might end up doing, what I might have the girlies do, is let's just all get a bottle and some chasers, and we'll pre-game in the parking lot of the event, because the drinks last time, they were cool. They were a little bit pricey, but yeah. So headed to go get my girl, and I'll talk to y'all later.
This one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, boo.
Because we the judge's daughters.
You hear me?
Damn, it's packed in here. Ain't no parking up front. Shit. Okay. Heard.
She got me all in coming my lip ashy as hell.
Your lips is not ashy.
Yes, it was before I put this shit on.
No, it wasn't.
Because I literally just drew the line. I ain't even get that.
And the day begins. First stop.
Y'all know what she up to. Because she's swerving down. She's not telling me what's going on. Y'all know what she doing.
Brunch. Oh, they know.
And I really don't appreciate it.
They already know. I told them before I picked you up. All of the plans. They know.
Just fake.
Well, let's go be judges' daughters. See, we can get free drinks again.
You hear me? Those folks was like,
I'm talking about they brought like 3 rounds. Like,
I can get your shit expunged.
Let's do
Oh shit, I didn't even know this. Thank you, Boogie Man.
Yes, happy birthday, more life, more love, more blessings to my bestie.
I know that's right. Okay.
fuck it up, 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 break it up.
Brought out the pink Lamborghini, just a race for China. What the race to China? Just a race in China. Little bad Trini bitch, but she mixed with China. Real thick vagina, smuggle bricks to China. I tell my niggas, check, bust it out, turn your goofy down. I'm split on it, yes, it's my bad bitch, I'ma go bitch. I'ma bust it open, go stupid, I don't think honey, cookie on tsunami. All my niggas like me once they get that good punani. I think he needs the.
Now, if you love the person you came with, make some noise for that person. Put your arm around somebody and love right now. Say, I love you. Put your arm around somebody you love right now.
This is